My name is Nara Park. I'm a Korean artist currently based in Washington, D.C. I primarily work in sculpture and installation. My work explores our relationship to the landscape we live in and the imprint we leave in it when we're gone. For Georgetown GLOW 2021, I'm showing an installation in the Washington Harbor inspired by a meteorite that fell from outer space. My sculpture is currently getting fabricated in Ashland, Virginia. It is about 14.5 feet long, 7 feet wide, and 8 feet tall. It's been about 2 months since the fabrication started. The sculpture will be completely painted in white and covered with reflective glass beads. Reflective glass beads generate retroreflection, which is the phenomenon of light rays striking a surface and being redirected back to the source of light. LED lights will be installed around the work to create the effect. Since a meteorite is a fragment of a fallen star that once radiated light, I hope to metaphorically give back life to it by making it illuminate again.